So, Vaydor Build, Silicon Valley. So I did find out from Jimmy, one of Matt's friends that builds these Vaydors, that yes, you do cut right across, right here, and then what's going to happen is that that big reinforcement beam, we're going to end up welding that to the actual body, or I mean to the chassis of the car. So we'll just tack weld that for, actually we won't tack weld it. We'll go ahead and weld it and in place from the inside and the top once we get that thing cut, when we cut across that line. Then he also showed me where you do cut, you have to remove the air conditioning ducts, and it's these studs right here. You want to cut right above that stud right there, all the way across. So let me walk around and show you the progress on taking the body off. So yeah, we got the sunroof out, and bam. So we got some video of David cutting. So we've got this whole quarter off, got it cut through right here, around the reinforcement, and we're going to cut it off the trunk right here. On both sides we're going to do the same thing, cut through it, and we're going to lift the whole top off in one shot. We're going to cut the front off, and we've got enough manpower here, we'll lift the whole top off in one shot. Hopefully I can catch that on video for you guys. Till the next one. Silicon Vaydor Build Silicon Valley, chopping the body off. So we got a carbide blade. It's about a 10-inch blade with the Sawzall. Just to cut the big extremities off, we actually have a sheet metal cutting tool to cut the rest, to cut those. Done. Cut through. Crazy. Insane. So now I'm going to cut the other side, and then you pull it off one side at a time, section at a time. Till the next one. So here's the progress made today. You can see we've got, well, not much left of a G35. Yeah, it's gone. So there's the back of the car. Let me get back here. We got a little bit of cleanup to just do too. Just a few little pieces left to cut. So another couple days we'll be putting the cage on. Just got a little bit more cutting to do here in the back. Got to trim around the gas cap right here so that I can cut that down underneath, relocate that gas line. Come over here, you can see where we've cut. Cage will be sitting right here on top. I got to cut this across right here. We're going to be cutting this straight across and then right up to this bar here. So this whole section right here gets cut out right here. All this gets cut off up to here. So that little corner piece needs to get cut still, and then we got to cut our A-pillars up flush, and then the dash area, and then we're ready to go for the cage. So cage should be on in a couple days, and should be welded up probably by the end of next week. About a week. So about a week we're going to have starting to put the body on. So it's moving along pretty fast. But let me step back so you can kind of get a good idea of what's going on here. So yeah, there it is. Crazy. So tune in for the next one, and you'll see a little bit more progress. Thanks for watching, and tell your friends to subscribe.